As a business consultant, a lot of times aspiring entrepreneurs and future business owners come to me and say, "Hey, look, Deontay, I go to these banks, I go to these different investors, I ask for loans, I give them my presentation, I have all these documents, business plans, financials, and spreadsheets. I show it to them, I hand it over, they look it over, and they still deny me. I let them know I have all this experience, I'm a good person, I work hard, and they still tell me no. How's it going? This is Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. One thing a lot of times what people don't understand is when they come to a person, an investor, a banker, or whoever, and they present all these documents and they give their usual spiel. This is my business. This is what I need the money for. This is my financial reports. These are projections. If you give me this at this rate, I need this money to start this business. You got to understand one thing. If I don't know you at all, and you come asking me for money, how comfortable would I be, just giving you my money? Even if you give me some kind of spreadsheet showing all the kind of money that you can make and everything and stuff, that still wouldn't make me move really any faster. Because all the time you got people that can go in Excel and put in all kind of numbers and have a great story to tell. You can stand in front of the investors, even make them almost share the tip. But at the end of the day, I want you guys to understand, you got to make a person feel you. No matter what is on those documents of financial state, they have to feel that at the end of the day, that this person can make my money back, because no one is going to give anybody any kind of reports or business plan to say, hey, if you give me this money, I'm going to lose it all in the first year. You're going to have all the best information, all the great projections, all the great financials, the great story and everything for that person to read. Everyone does. But you have to understand there's an energy that you have to give out to let that person know, listen, this person gonna make me my money back and they're gonna do right by everything. You have to do it. So you say, hey, Deontay, how do you make this energy? How do you make that feeling coming out? The most important way, you got to know your stuff. You got to believe in it. Know your stuff. You got to believe in it. If you know it inside out, you prepare for any kind of question they can have, inside, outside, all around, anything about the money, the history of your business, all that whole SWOT analysis. We talk about the strengths, the weaknesses, the opportunities, threats. All you know it inside out. You know all the money you can make. You know all the different pitfalls they can incur in that business. You got to know it just to keep them comfortable. Also, you got to believe in yourself more than you believe in anything in this world. And when you believe in yourself more than anything else, that emits the energy that they're going to be able to see. So I'm just telling you that before you start going to investors and bankers, hand them over financials and books and everything like that, keep that in mind. You got to know your stuff inside out. You got to believe in it more than anything. They have to feel you that you can make their money back. Otherwise, you're going to be going from place to place, asking and asking. Keep that stuff in mind. All you future entrepreneurs and business owners, they have to feel that you can make their money back. Okay? Hey, again, this is Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. Make sure you go to the YouTube channel where we talk about personal finance, business, entrepreneurship, and real estate investing. Again, that's Mr. Short Dollar. And most important, as always, hit that dollar sign in the bottom right-hand corner. Take care.